Welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to process a two-pass transaction without presets in DataBridge software. When the vehicle has pulled onto the scale, select its calculated weight in the top right corner. Once you have selected the weight of the vehicle, under Operational Data, select the icons and fill in the information for vehicle, account, hauler, material, etc. Once you have confirmed the information associated with the vehicle, capture the final weight of the vehicle with GetWeight. Once the data is confirmed and the weight is captured, accept the pass by selecting Accept, then wait for the vehicle to exit the scale. Your first pass is complete. For the second pass, once the vehicle is on the scale, select the same vehicle as the first pass. Note: only one vehicle can be in a transaction at a time. Since this transaction is not complete, it will automatically populate the information we put in during the first pass. Capture the weight of the second pass and complete the transaction. The vehicle can exit the scale. You have successfully completed a two-pass transaction in DataBridge.